My name is Chandler Smith. I'm a senior. My major is psychology with a minor in education, and I'm from Southern Maryland.
My name is Misha Jones. I'm a senior here at the college, and I'm from Manassas Park, Virginia.
Bianca Boggs. I'm a senior. I'm 21 years old. I'm a geology major, and yeah.
Manassas Park, Virginia is a suburban, not exactly rural, but suburban area in Northern Virginia. I live in not a gated community, but a very tight-knit community. There were 500 people that went to my middle school. So it's a very everybody knows everybody type of town. I didn't have access to a lot of basketball courts other than the one at the park, which you can imagine, an outdoor park. It's concrete, there's a bunch of cracks in it, that kind of thing.
Port Tobacco, Maryland is kind of country, but it's not too far from DC, so it's still suburban. I come from a really big family. I have 3 siblings. There's 4 of us.
So my first impression of basketball, I love the sport. I love the game. The game is great. I love the teamwork and the fact that, I guess, having one common goal, of course, is appealing. But personally, I was unathletic. I kept falling. My parents thought there was something wrong with me. I couldn't stand up straight. But I don't know. I think the challenge of that kind of competition just drew me to it.
My mom actually wasn't allowed to play sports because her family is very religious, and for some reason, girls weren't supposed to be doing that kind of stuff. I did see how invested my dad was in it. I think he played pickup basketball probably until I was like 13, 14 years old. After a while, I was out there playing with them, and it was that kind of thing where you show up to play pickup, and the guys are like, "Who is this kid?" And my dad's like, "I play, she plays. That's the only way to do this."
My whole family plays basketball, and it was always, I never thought I wouldn't play basketball. It was just like what you did. My dad played, my sister played, my other sister played. I'm 6'3". It's been in my family. I always assumed that I would.
Initially, when I started to think about college basketball, I wasn't thinking D1 because nobody out of Manassas Park, that wasn't gonna happen for me, I didn't think.
When I started playing basketball more competitively and, college was more at the forefront of playing in high school and AAU was, geared toward getting looks, I would always constantly hear people in my ear telling me, I wasn't big enough, I wasn't, strong enough, not fast enough, not this enough, and I just had to block them out.
Good morning, Tribe fans. It's another cold day in Williamsburg, but I know everyone is excited for tonight's matchup between William & Mary women's basketball and a tough team that has the potential to cause some problems. The Tribe is led by its 3 seniors and captains, Chandler Smith, Misha Jones, and Bianca Boggs.
Don't let anybody tell you what you can and can't do. Because part of the reason why I didn't think I could make it to this level was because people told me I couldn't make it to this level. But if you listen to people, you're never gonna get to where you need to go, where you're supposed to go.
You get a rebound if they have the right position.
Bianca Boggs in double figures for the 44th time in her career. She goes up again, fouled and one. Bianca Boggs starting to take over on the offensive end for William & Mary. She's got 22 truly, and it's the 8th time in her career she's scored 20 or more points in a game.
It's important to know that you can contribute on a team, and again, learning that self-confidence that, you can do anything you put your mind to.
Fowler back the other way, will not be able to get the bunny there for 4, and Reynolds gets the rebound. Boggs looks to beat everybody down the court. She'll go to Jones for the 3. She's fouled and she drains it! Misha Jones in one will try to complete a 4-point play.
Sure is fun when that happens.
Take another look at it again. I saw the defender coming, and I didn't know if Misha was going to be able to get it off. Not only did she get it off, she switched it home. Try to take a bigger lead into the half. Boggs to Jones for the 3, and it's good for Misha. 7 points, matches a career high. She's fired up. Her Tribe teammates are fired up, and William & Mary takes a 46-39 lead into the break. We'll take a timeout and have some halftime coverage for you here on Tribe Athletics TV.
Do whatever your heart desires at that moment. Be honest to your feelings. Be honest to your heart. Just listen to yourself and live your life, because that's all you really can do.
A career goes by so quickly. It's gone in a flash.
Our journey has been long and had a lot of ups and downs in the road, but I don't think I would have picked any two people to go through it with other than you guys, so I love you.
I'm proud of us. I'm proud of what we've done. I'm proud of, the fact that we stepped on this campus and said we were going to change something, and we've changed it. We've positively changed the program.
If today was my last game, I would want to tell my teammates that they are so strong and they can handle anything that my coach gives them, that our coaches give them, that William & Mary gives them, because they're built for it. I would want to tell them that I really appreciate them, because they've always been there for me, and just them being their natural selves just makes my day.
Honestly, as a freshman coming in, I don't think I could have asked for a better group of seniors. It just makes my experience so much more whole, and to get them for a year is gonna feel way too short.
And you guys have no clue exactly what you have. So just my life generally and in basketball.
Thank you, seniors, for all that you do. You guys are great leaders and showed through example on and off the court. Thank you.
I just wanted to say thank you guys for always being there for me and always being there for the team. I love you guys.
I'm extremely fortunate for how great the seniors have been coming in. I love them a lot. I'm really sad that I only get 1 year with them. So
I'm going to miss you guys so much, and words won't describe that. I'm going to try not to cry on graduation day.
I was so lucky to be able to look up to all three of you over my 2 years in the basketball program, and I hope to do half of what you guys did over your 4 years. Bianca, Misha, Chan, thank you guys so much for all you've done for our program. It would not be the same without you all. Not only are you guys awesome basketball players, but you're even better people. I'm just so thankful for you guys.